First, open the Pyler Data app by clicking on the icon. Check to make sure that your printer is connected. Your printer and scalehead Bluetooth connections should have been set up by the local factory tech before the station opened up. If your printer is not connected, you can click the three dots in the upper right-hand corner and press Connect to Printer. If your printer is within range, you should see the name of that printer, printer 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5, depending on how many Pylers you have at that station, and the 12-character MAC address if it was connected successfully. Check to make sure the station name, number, Pyler number, and posting date are all correct for that day. When you're ready to enter records, click the Weigh Dirt Take Temp button. Here you'll enter the contract you'll be working with. If you enter an invalid contract, it will flag for you to fix the entry. Once you've entered the contract, click Done. You'll be asked to print a sample ticket. The printer in the tear house will print a ticket that you will attach to a sample bag and will be ready for when you send the sample to the tear lab. This sampling rate is based on the sampling rate setting, which you can see in the sample info window. Currently in this demo it's set to 75%. This means you will be sampling 3 out of every 4 loads. Once you printed the ticket, go ahead and enter the truck ID or temperature and click Done. Record the dirt weight displayed in the weight box when you're ready and click Save. The record will show up in the daily history below. If needed, you may edit a transaction by pressing the Edit to the right of the record. This will highlight the record being worked. Once the changes are made, press Update. Now, if you are working the same contracts for a period of time, you can quick select the contract entry from the daily history. After you've saved a record, press on the contract and field number that you want to work with in the daily history contract column. It will populate in the contract box above. At the end of the day, you will be asked to provide the return dirt high and low weights, as well as the number of samples to the scale house. These can be found on the main page of the app under the 2 blue buttons. If you have records that are showing sending instead of sent, make sure you check your internet connection. If the connection is fine but the records still do not show sent, contact your crop consultant. If needed, they will contact IT to assist you. At the end of the day, please leave your tablets on and plugged into power so that we can send updates when needed.